Hi lovelies, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be stamping a St. Patty's Day shamrock on my index finger and my ring finger. That's all this video is going to be today, is me trying out a Maniology stamping plate and also doing my gel top on all of my nails. So what I have down for you right now, I'll go through that. This is Marullo Nail Co. They have a shop on Etsy. It was my first time using their dips, and they come in these little cute jars. I've never seen anything this shape before for dips. Usually it's like a circular jar as you've seen in the past, but I'll show you this color. This is the green I have on my thumb and my pinky. Let's get a better shot of that for you. And I'll tell you the color in a second. Green with envy. And then on my middle finger, I have this gorgeous green with foils. It's like gold and rose gold and then darker green foils. And that's this color here. And I believe this is called Irish Eyes, if I'm not mistaken. Yep, Irish Eyes. And then on my ring and index finger, where I'm going to be doing the stamping, I have Goldie, which is this really gorgeous deep gold color, a gold yellow almost. I was a little leery about this color at first. I was only going to do it on one nail, but after I saw it on, I thought it was really nice with the green, so I decided to do 2 nails of it. So I got this stamping plate from Maniology. I don't do a lot of stamping. In fact, the last couple of times I tried stamping, I failed at it miserably, and that was back in October for Halloween. So it's been a while. I want to give it a try. I got new stamping polish. The polish that I had previously was from like an older starter kit I got from Maniology, so I'm guessing the polish might have gone a little bad. I know that can happen, so I wanted to get a fresh stamping plate, fresh polish. So we're gonna try this out again. I know you probably see the reflection of everything here, but I think I'm going to go in with one of these shamrocks on both fingers. I'm not sure which one yet, but I'm going to try and do 2 on each finger if I can fit it. So this is really fun. It's Maniology M188. I'm not an affiliate for them, so I don't have a code. I know a lot of people that I follow do have codes to use for Maniology. It has like a bunch of different little scrolls with some shamrocks on it, a little like shamrock trail that fades away here, a little leprechaun body, this one that says too cute to pinch, there's Lucky Charm, a whole bunch of different things here, a little owl, which if I knew how to do like the painting in of the stamping, then I would do that, but I feel like doing that one solid color wouldn't really do it justice. So then I also got a fresh stamper that came with my little stamping plate and a scraper from Maniology. And then I got this Lilypad green color. I thought this was a nice color to go with St. Patty's Day. So let's get started. Like I said, I haven't really done this. I also have a little container full of acetone, some Q-tips, so I can clean up the pad and around my fingers if I need to. And then I also have some tape to clean the stamper, because I know that's an easy way to kind of grab whatever gets on the stamper around the design that you're trying to pick up. So first I'm going to put down a layer of my gel base from Mani Boss and cure that for 15 seconds. So I'm going to do my index finger first. So let me go ahead and put that down. I really want to get more stamping plates and get better at stamping because I do love the way it looks. I like how it's a different alternative to doing the decals, just something different. I'm really envious of people that just have the art of stamping down and can do it and just be done with it and it in one shot. So let's see here. I think I'm going to do, just for the sake of this, because this one is a little more intricate, I'm going to do this shamrock right here, which is more of a solid. So let me get my stamping polish and my stamping scraper. And then the stamper. And don't mind, I have some, I guess I should have cleaned that up, but I do have still some powder down here. Let me just zoom in a little bit. So I'm going to go in and just paint over this shamrock. Hopefully I got enough on there. And then I'm just going to, from what I've read and what I tried to do in the past, you just scrape with the scraper at a 45-degree angle. Okay. And then you pick it up with the stamper by rolling onto the stamper. And it didn't pick it up. Okay. Let me try this again. Clean that off. I think the problem was I didn't have enough down. So let me try this again. Okay. Nope. Couldn't get it again. Oh, almost. See that? Almost got it. Maybe I just have to let it dry for a minute or two after I take the residue off with the acetone. Okay. So let me let that sit for a minute. Hopefully we can get it again. Or for the first time, I should say. I'm also going to try to shake this up a little bit. This might be a little too liquidy. Okay, let's try this again. Nope, could not get it again. Ooh, I got it. Okay, so I got that on. Sorry for my quietness for a minute. All right, it took me a couple of tries. I actually had to switch out my stamper. I don't know if that made a difference, but let me see if I can get it now onto my nail. I just cleaned up some of that excess with the, I'm having a brain fart, the tape. All right, so it didn't come out fully, like the little stem is kind of faint, but I am going to use it. So if you can kind of see what I'm doing here, I'm just going to put this down towards the cuticle in the corner and just press it on, rocking it back and forth a little bit, and then pull it up. Oh, there we go. It's a little fuzzy, I don't know why it's not focusing, but what is the problem here? Okay, can you see that? That's really cute. Okay, so I think, I don't know if I can fit another one on this nail. I was going to do another one kind of like up here, but I think that might be a little too much. So let me do one on this nail. So again, I'm just going to clean up my stamper or my stamping pad with the acetone again, and then wipe it clean, the lint-free wipe. I'm going to go in with my dip base again from Mani Boss. And this time I'm going to seal up the shamrock that I just did, but I'm going to do this nail first just to give that a chance to dry. So now that I used that other stamper, I want to see if I can pick up that full shamrock scene with the little polka dots to do on my ring finger, just to do something different. So I'm going to put this in for 15 seconds. Oops. I will say stamping is a bit of a messy process, but you know, so is glitter, right? And we use that all the time. All right, so let me go in here with this scene. Well, not scene, but this little, I don't know if you can see it. This has like all shamrocks and polka dots on it. So I'm going to just do the top of this because my nail is not that big, and pull that down and see if I can pick that up. Let's see. Oh, so some of them in the middle didn't come up the best. All right, so let me try that again. I almost got it. I think I just have to wiggle it a little more in that area. But let me tell you, that stamper made a difference. And I think it's because that stamper probably has to be washed. I saw somewhere that if your stamper is a little oily, when you get it, you should have to wash it first. And I didn't check it, so I didn't know that it had to be washed, but that's fine. I do have this other stamper, like I said, from Amazon, so I'm just gonna use that. Now, let's see if I can get this to work just for this ring finger. I'm just gonna take anything I can get here. If it's one, it's one. I have one on my index finger, I'll have one on my ring finger, and we'll be good to go. Ooh, that came out good. Okay, so just get it on the tip here. Oh, now it doesn't want to stick on my nail. What is going on? Maybe I didn't cure this long enough. Okay, so there we go. It's not in the exact spot I would have liked it, but it's good enough. So I got the shamrock in the corner on my index, and then I have the other one that's up on my ring finger. And now what I'm going to do is go ahead with the base coat on my other nails. I did this one already, so I'm not going to touch that, but I have to do the other nails as well that I've already dipped. So let me go ahead and do that for you guys so you can see. Thank you for sticking through this with me. I know it was a process, but I feel like I've been wanting to do a stamping video, and I wanted to do one on holiday mani, so I thought this would be the perfect chance to try it. So I'm just putting a layer of my Mani Blush Gel Base Coat down, the same coat I used to stick on the stamp. I just love this foil. I just think it's so pretty, and it was so easy to work with. I will definitely be getting more of Marullo & Co.'s dips. Marullo Nail Co, excuse me, I'm sorry. I know they have a bunch of different like camo dips, so I'm interested to try those out. Just got a little bit of gel here. I'm just gonna clean that up. You just want to always make sure that you never have gel base or top on your skin, because you can develop a gel allergy from that. So I'm just going to stick this in for 30 seconds. And another thing you want to do while we're going through some tips here is make sure you never have your gel bottles right in front of your light for your lamp, because it can actually harden the gel and cure it in the bottle. So you want to make sure that you keep those out of the way when you're doing your curing and not in the line of the light. I wish you can see how messy this whole side of my nail table is, just from stamping, and I cleaned it up from when I did the dipping a little bit, but there's still a bunch of stuff on it. Okay, so now I'm going in with my Cascade Colorworks Hema-Free Gel Top. And I'm going to put a layer of that down on every finger and then cure that for 60 seconds. And then we'll be ready to go. Okay, so just cure that for 60 seconds in your UV LED lamp. Okay, so everything is cured and all set. Here is the finished look with the stamping. I'm really happy with the way this came out, even though there was a little bit of trial and error with the stamping. As always, if you enjoy what you see here, please subscribe, like, comment, give it a thumbs up, share it, do whatever you'd like to do. I will be doing 2 more St. Patty's Day manis coming up. This hand I'm leaving for tomorrow night, so I'll do something different, and that video will be posted early next week. It should be Friday when this one gets posted, so thanks so much for watching and enjoy. Have a lovely day.